If you need to make your document look more polished and professional, learning how to create a hanging indent in LibreOffice Writer is a really useful skill. A hanging indent is commonly used in bibliographies, reference lists, citations, and any time you want the first line of a paragraph to stay aligned while the following lines move inward. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step in LibreOffice Writer, and it only takes a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from the home screen, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. Or, if you already have a document open, you can use that one instead. Once your document is open, find the paragraph you want to format and select it. This is important because the hanging indent will only apply to the selected paragraph or paragraphs. If you want to format multiple paragraphs, you can highlight all of them before moving to the next step. After selecting your text, go to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down menu, choose Paragraph. This opens the paragraph settings window where you can control the indentation and spacing for your text. In this window, click the Indents and Spacing tab if it is not already selected. Here you'll see the indentation options you need. To create the hanging indent effect, set before text to a positive value. This moves the body of the paragraph inward, then set first line to a negative value. This pulls the first line back to the left, which is what creates the hanging indent look. A common setup is to make the before text value larger than the first line value in the opposite direction, but the exact numbers can depend on how much indent you want. If you're formatting a reference list, you may want to make it subtle and clean. If you want a more noticeable indent, increase the values a little more. Once you've entered the values, click OK to apply the changes. Now your paragraph should show a hanging indent, where the first line stays aligned on the left and the rest of the lines move inward. If it doesn't look right at first, don't worry. You can always reopen format, go back to paragraph, and adjust the values until it looks the way you want. This is one of those formatting tricks that becomes really easy once you've done it a couple of times, and it can make your documents look much more organized and professional. It's especially helpful for academic writing, citations, reports, and any document that needs clear structure. And that's how you create a hanging indent in LibreOffice Writer. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.